Welcome to the Dragon Slot and Tab tutorial. This video will cover how to add the slot and tab settings to your tube and pipe library, then how to create an easy assembly project, and how to add slots and tabs to each intersection of tube. First of all, select the tube and pipe library from the right-hand side of the task menu to access your materials. Here, you'll select the material you'll be making your project with and select the Slot and Tab Settings tab. I like to go with a 1/4 inch width and length settings, but this will depend entirely on what OD of tubing you're using. Once these settings are entered into your slot and tab fields, you can save them and close the window. Back in the task menu screen, select the Assembly option to open a new project where we can assemble multiple lengths of tubing in a single design. Maximize the screen. Select your material from the list here and click on the Pick Points tab to begin plotting out points for the design. Start by selecting the right field, type 12 into it, and follow that by clicking the Apply button. Then, change the 12 to 10.5 and click Apply again. Now, enter a 1.5 into the right field and apply that as well. Next, make the 1.5 into 10.5 and enter a 12 into the ceiling field, then click Apply. Finally, change the 12 to 10.5 in the ceiling field and click Apply for the last time. With all of our pick points plotted out, go up and select the Straight button here and connect the dots as shown to make 3 separate lengths of tube. Then head to the Cutting tab and make sure to check the checkbox that says Add Slot and Tab before performing cuts on this project. Now click on the New Cut button, followed by the tube we'd like to cut, then the tube we're cutting it to, followed by the Complete button. This will be the process for any and all cuts made in the assembly interface. As you can see, the slots and tabs are added to the cut profiles for each tube. Clicking the Display button from above will show our assembly in a 3D format. With all of our parts created as we want them, we can transfer all of them together by clicking the Transfer button above and choosing the Dragon Cam option. If your Dragon software is not currently open, it will open with the Part Transfer window prompting you to place your parts where you'd like them. But if it's already open, you'll have to click on it from below to bring it up. In this case, all 3 of our parts are identified with the correct material and can be sent to a new nesting project. Dragon Designer will be used if there are any in-depth changes that you'd like to make to your parts. Once you're in the nesting project interface, you're free to designate your stock length of tube in the Settings tab in addition to some other helpful functions. Clicking on the Parts tab, you'll be able to see your parts and add them to your stock tube by double-clicking them or using the green plus sign and designating a quantity as seen here. With all of our parts on the stock length, there are many other options for altering the project, including rotating, reordering, and removing parts from this project before it is sent out to the Dragon machine. To send this project to the Dragon, simply click on the Transfer to Machine button above. This will cause the machine controller window to open where you can home your machine and start cutting and marking your project. Thank you for completing the Dragon Slot and Tab tutorial. If you have questions about this tutorial or any others, feel free to contact us over the phone or by email at support@ben-tech.com.